Well, guess who went back to Best Buy? Oh, yeah. So, got another unboxing. Because, you know, Best Buy is like really addicting. So today, I got two unboxings actually. Been wanting another set of really good speakers for my computer system, so bam! The Bose Companion 2. These ran 119 bucks. And we're going to see what they look like. Right out of the box, baby. Let's just burn up them credit cards. Let's burn up them credit cards. You know, Bose has the best sound of anything. It comes with a cute little... Oh, then the Yeti, my new Yeti mic sounds great. It comes with the instructions. Comes with a slight power cable right here. And it comes, you have to have a little patience to get it out of the box, apparently. I like the big style on these. Put in there really well. Wow, these are packed up really good, and I get frustrated with things that are packed up tightly. But we want things to be safe. Wow. Hey. Comes with the power jack. Wow. Yeah, well, it's in there good. They pack it safe. But I know that the sound on these is going to be amazing. I've had them old Logitech cheap ones for all this time. So let's see what we got here. How they look, and I'll get them hooked up. Look at that, it's got little subwoofers on the back. Get your little subwoofer running on the back. To the left, auxiliaries from computer. Right speaker, bam. That looks good. And you got your power source here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it even says the Bose power jack on it. We'll get these bad boys hooked up in no time. I like how it's got the little subwoofer on the back. Best Buy is like every man's dream. What's he growling about over there? He needs a bath. Been itching. I like it how it has a little subwoofer on the back. And let's see, do the covers come off? No. Because you don't usually have to have the covers come off with the Bose. That is a deal right there, 119. So we'll get those running. Bose Companion 2 at Best Buy. We'll get those running shortly. Put all the packaging over here, the seat stuff over here. Then I bought another goodie. We have the Vizio 32-inch in the bedroom. So I wanted to get one for out here so it's not all computer-wise out here. So I got myself the LG 32 running at $189. And I want to get that out of the box too. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, Best Buy. I thought this one was cool because it's actually white. White TV, man. I'm gonna set it on the bar. Power source and the legs. There. Cole's gonna get her Breaking Benjamin tattoo. Well, it's supposed to be white.
It's not white?
No.
Aw.
I guess we just grabbed one that was in a black box, but it's the same TV. It doesn't really matter. It's got black tape on it. I don't know. I liked it that it was white, but apparently it's not. So we'll get the legs on this bad boy and get him hooked up. We got the remote right here. Big numbers on it because I'm blind. In the directions. Legs was easy to get on the other ones. There's one of them. Yay! For $189, not too bad. You know, life's good. LG. These just click right into place. Get out of here.
Stop your money.
Them.
Potatoes. I don't know what I did with it.
It's not fair.
I know.
Fair.
That's why I put it behind the refrigerator.
Oh, your first mistake. So, bite you.
Come here. Come here.
Power source on this bad boy. Thought it was white. She said, I thought it was a booger, but it's not. It's not.
Here, boy.
Daddy's been spending money. Doesn't have a very long cord, baby.
Uh-oh, you're going to have to use extension cord.
Got an extension.
Oh,
Yeah, you would have had that thing on. It runs the building. Yay, LG Smart TV for a dumbass. That's that. Huh? Set it up.
Oh, I don't think
Yeah, that's hard. Oh.
that. Uh-oh.
And yay, Best Buy for Bry. Bam.